guys, this is my first video, and today we're going to unbox Monopoly Skylanders, and at the end of this video we're going to play, and in a separate video we're going to play Skylanders Monopoly. And as you see on the back, this is the game, right there. There's Chaos, Swords, Cannon, and Cheap, Pirate, Ship, and Chompy. But if it's not on sale, it basically costs $39.95. So that was my first video. So we're gonna unbox this baby. Come on, stinking thing. No. Okay. So
So have you played Monopoly before?
Yes, I have. This is one of my favorite games, but if FGTV is watching this, I'd be really happy because I'm a big fan of FGTV.
Mm-hmm.
So, my favorite. So we unbox this baby and let's see what's inside. So let's get this thing open. Okay, so now where do I have to put this? I have to just move this. Yes. There we go. Oh, this board is sweet. We got all the stuff. We got instructions, dice, the houses, and the money, of course. Everybody loves money. So that's it. Yeah, and here's the tokens. Whoa, these aren't that big. And here's all the properties. That's a lot of properties.